In the tapestry of Islamic belief, 5 pillars stand tall, forming the foundation of faith for over 1 billion Muslims worldwide. Among these, Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca, holds profound significance. It is a journey of a lifetime, a spiritual odyssey that draws Muslims from every corner of the globe to the heart of Islam. Hajj is not merely a physical journey, it is a deeply personal and transformative experience. It is a testament to the unwavering faith and devotion of Muslims who answer the call to visit the holy city of Mecca. Hajj is an obligation for every able-bodied Muslim who can afford it to be performed once in their lifetime. The pilgrimage takes place during the last month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Al-Hijjah and its rituals are steeped in history and symbolism. Hajj is more than just a physical journey, it is a spiritual odyssey that touches the very core of a Muslim's being. It is a time for deep introspection, for cleansing the heart and soul from the dust of sin and worldly distractions. The pilgrimage is a call to return to our primordial state of purity, to reconnect with our Creator and seek His forgiveness. It is a transformative experience that leaves an indelible mark on the soul. It is a journey that tests one's physical and mental endurance, pushing pilgrims to their limits. Yet it is through these challenges that the true essence of Hajj is revealed. The communal aspect of Hajj is another significant element of its transformative power. Millions of Muslims from all over the world converge on Mecca, creating a microcosm of the global Muslim community. The journey of Hajj begins with a declaration of intent, known as Niyyah. Upon entering the designated sacred boundaries around Mecca, known as Miqat, pilgrims enter a state of spiritual purity called ihram. Men don a simple, seamless white garment consisting of 2 pieces of cloth, while women dress modestly, covering their heads and bodies. This change of attire symbolizes the shedding of worldly distinctions and the embrace of equality before God. The ihram is more than just a change of clothing, it is a spiritual transformation. Pilgrims in ihram are forbidden from engaging in certain acts, fostering an environment of peace, humility, and respect. The donning of the ihram marks the beginning of a profound spiritual journey, a journey of cleansing, forgiveness, and renewal. As pilgrims converge on Mecca, the city undergoes a breathtaking transformation. The streets, once bustling with everyday life, are now flooded with a sea of white-clad humanity. Millions of Muslims from all corners of the globe, speaking different languages, hailing from diverse cultures, stand shoulder to shoulder, united in their devotion to God. The sight of millions of Muslims circling the Kaaba, the cubicle structure that serves as the focal point of Islamic prayer, is a testament to the unifying power of faith. The Kaaba, draped in its black silk cloth embroidered with verses from the Quran, represents the oneness of God and serves as a powerful symbol of unity for Muslims worldwide. The diversity of the pilgrims is striking. There are Arabs and non-Arabs, rich and poor, young and old, all performing the same rituals, all equal in the eyes of God. This shared experience transcends cultural and social barriers, fostering a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood among the believers. The rites of Hajj are a series of symbolic acts that trace the footsteps of the Prophet Abraham and his family. Each ritual carries profound meaning, reminding pilgrims of the sacrifices made by Abraham and his unwavering faith in God. One of the most iconic rituals of Hajj is Tawaf, the circumambulation of the Kaaba. Pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction, their hearts and minds focused on God. Another key ritual is Sa'i, the walk between the hills of Safa and Marwa, commemorating Hagar's desperate search for water for her infant son, Ishmael. The culmination of Hajj takes place at the plain of Arafat, where pilgrims gather in prayer and supplication, seeking God's forgiveness and mercy. The final days of Hajj are spent in Mina, where pilgrims perform the symbolic stoning of the devil. This ritual represents the rejection of temptation and the triumph of faith over evil.